Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'd like to show you how to complete your Treble Clef note reading assignment. First, navigate to classroom.google.com. Next, click on the Music Theory Classroom. Click on the Classwork tab. Scroll down to Section 2, Review of Notes on the Staff. Click on Review of Treble Clef Notes. Here you will find a link to the assignment. Click on it. Once it opens up, complete it as requested. Once you complete the assignment, the computer provides a score report. It may be the best way to finish this is to show the score report to your teacher and have them record the grade from the screen. If that's not convenient, you can take a screenshot to prove you've done the work. On the Mac, you type Command-Shift-3. On Windows, you hold down the Windows key and type print screen. You can also do this on an Android or an iPhone. So if your teachers ask you to provide the screenshot, you would switch back over to the Google Classroom, scroll down here to where it says Treble Clef Notes, and there's a form where you can fill this out and submit the information. So we'll just get started on this. Floyd Richmond, name. Grade on external exercise, I made 100. Link to the screenshot confirming my grade. My screenshot's on my device. What I need to do is to upload that to Google Drive. On the Mac, that's really quite easy. You just come over here, locate your screenshot on your desktop, drag it into your Google Drive. So you'll come over here, navigate to drive.google.com. Up here in the search field, you'll type screen and press return. You may need to sort by last modified once that information is found, and there is the screenshot that I was looking for. If you right click that, you can choose share and then click this get shareable link button here and copy link and tell it that you're done. Now return to the form, paste in your link, and you are about to submit your name, your grade, and screenshot proof that you made that grade. When I hit submit, the teacher has my information and can record that at their leisure. Thank you.